In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually fix Roblox unapproved third-party applications, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, the number one issue that happens is that you may have a application that is open that has an anti-cheat that's installed and it's preventing you from doing what you want to do in Roblox. So the first thing to check is to right click on your taskbar and just open up Task Manager. You can also open this up by hitting Control-Shift-Escape. Now what you're going to do is just check if the background processes, if Fortnite is open or if CSGO is open. You're just going to make sure that any of the usual games that you're playing are not open. And if they are, you're just going to click it and click End Task. Now, the second thing that could be the problem is that your Roblox is actually not working. But before you try that, just make sure to restart your computer. So just click on here and restart it. But the third thing that you could do is just search apps and features. And you're going to search up Roblox. And this is a last resort, is to just click it, uninstall it, and then re-download it from Microsoft Store or from Roblox.com. That's really all there is to it. Should fix the issue. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.